Hi, I'm Dr. Rowena Winkler, Assistant Director for Graduate Student Career Development at UMBC's Career Center. We appreciate your interest in our professional engineering programs, also known as PEP, and certificates as part of the Office of Professional Programs' outstanding master's degree and certificate offerings. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of engineering managers is projected to grow 6% from 2023 to 2033. And there are currently about 15,000 engineering manager jobs in the United States to choose from. To put things in a more relevant context, graduates from UMBC's PEP specifically work at companies like Stanley Black & Decker, Amazon Web Services, BGE, and Exelon, working as project managers, project engineers, and consultants. Alumni from this program typically graduate with 17 average years experience. They also earn an average salary of $101,143. We look forward to having you join us, whether it's as a master's student in the PEP graduate program or as a certificate student. We are excited to be a part of your career journey. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out to us at professionals@umbc.edu. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to connect with you.